Jacksonville's Office of General Counsel represents Jacksonville's government. And tonight, Action News Jax Investigates has learned one Airbnb owner claims that they were targeted by the city's former top lawyer, Jason Teal. I'm Tanika Hughes.
I'm John Bachman. As Action News Jax Ben Becker learned, the former general counsel was a social acquaintance of a neighbor who complained.
Jacksonville's Office of General Counsel is the most powerful law firm in the city. It represents every major arm of Jacksonville's government, from JEA to the school district and even the mayor's office.
When I say Office of General Counsel, you say what?
I shake my head like I hate them.
David Willis is a small business owner who ran afoul of the office and former OGC Jason Teal, who's now Assistant General Counsel.
I'm inside.
Willis operates a number of Airbnbs.
Welcome in.
Including this one that's an oasis in a residential neighborhood with a pool, beach chairs, and more. But in an Action News Jax investigation, I found out there was trouble in paradise.
The general counsel came after me. They sued me.
In 2022, Willis was cited by the city for violating code. The city claimed to use this home as a motel because people were staying for less than 7 days. The result, a fine of $500 per day. OGC, though, offered Willis a settlement, paid more than $121,000, and if he didn't, his fine would jump to $3,000 per day. A judge saw the city's lawsuit in circuit court differently and dismissed it, ruling OGC did not make a good faith argument and that city code conflicts with state statute. The city was ordered to pay nearly $50,000 of $125,000 in Willis's legal fees.
What does it suggest when a judge orders someone to pay attorney's fees?
Well, that they were wrong in bringing the litigation to begin with.
Dale Carson is Action News Jax law and safety expert. Code enforcement cases like this are rarely filed in circuit court unless there's an immediate threat to the public. So what happened here? I obtained an email that OGC confirms shows that a former neighbor who complained about Willis's home was a social acquaintance of Teal's. Take a look. The neighbor wrote a group of people, including Teal, about getting together for a quote game. Teal responded, "I'm in." I learned that email was in reference to a poker game. I also got a hold of dozens of other OGC emails, many of which showed that Teal had direct knowledge of the case, including editing the complaint and directing his office to file motions. And I'm told this isn't a typical level of involvement for a general counsel in a code enforcement case.
What are the optics here?
Well, they're not good.
I emailed Teal for an interview, but OGC sent me statements instead that read in part, "After review, we are confident that Mr. Teal did not have a conflict of interest, and we reject the assertion that Mr. Teal misused his position as general counsel for an acquaintance." Willis has this parting shot.
Do you think they knew what they were doing?
Absolutely not. My attorneys tore them apart.
You won, but you lost.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, there was no winner in the situation.
Now, I also found out on Teal's watch from August 2021 to June 2023, which is about 2 years, 11 of 46 attorneys left the office. 25 employees departed overall. For local coverage you can count on,